Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All praises and thanks are due to Allah, the Lord of all that exists. May the peace and blessing of Allah be upon Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the messengers of Allah, and his family and companions, and who follows them in righteousness until the day of judgment. Okay, my friends, I'm Anissa Nurhuda and I'm from Management Class B. And in this video, I will convey material about understanding the concept of national income, source, calculation, and distribution. Let's check it out. Understanding the concept of national income, its source, calculation, and distribution. 1. Definition of national income. National income is the total income earned by all factors of production operating in a country economy over a certain period, usually 1 year. It reflects the level of economic activity and prosperity of a country. National income is used to measure the economic welfare of a country, determine economic growth, and become the basis for designing economic policies. Where does national income come from? National income comes for various economic activities that occur in a country. In general, national income comes from 5 main sources. A. Production sector. National income is generated from various production sectors that contribute to a country economy, such as agriculture sector, example production of rice, coffee, rubber, industri atau manufacturing sector, example production of cars, textile, medicines, service sector, example banking, education, and health, mining sector, example petroleum, natural gas, and coal, trade sector, example export, import of goods and service. All of the sectors create economic value added that eventually becomes part of national income. Consumption and expenditure. Every purchase of goods and services by households, governments, and business creates income for the firms and markets involved in the production of those goods and services. Household consumption, example spending on food, clothing, transportation. Investment, example factory, construction, machinery purchase. And the last, statement spending, example civil servant salaries, infrastructure development. Okay, next. C. Exports of goods and services. National income also comes for the sale of goods and services abroad. Exports. If a country exports more than it imports, it earns a trade surplus that adds to national income. Example of exports: Indonesia exports palm oil to various countries and earns foreign exchange. D. Foreign income. This income includes profits from foreign investment made by companies or citizens abroad. Example, an Indonesian migrant worker sent money to his family in Indonesia. An Indonesia company that has investment abroad earns profits from its business abroad. A. Tax and government subsidies. Tax collected by the government from people and business are also part of national income. Conversely, subsidies given by the government to support certain industries or groups will reduce national income. 3. How to calculate national income? National income can be calculated using several main methods, namely the production method, income method, and expenditure. A. Production method, output approach. This calculates national income by summing up the added value generated by all production sectors in an economy. B. Income approach. This calculates national income by summing up all income received by factors of production in an economy. C. Expenditure approach method. This calculates national income by summing up all expenditures in the economy, which consists of consumption, investment, government spending, and net exports. Export minus imports. Okay, next. Once national income is calculated, its distribution can be analyzed to see how it is used in the economy. A. Household consumption. Most of the national income is used for consumption, which is the purchase of goods and services by people to fulfill their needs. Example, purchase of goods, clothing, transportation, education, and health. B. Business investment. A portion of income is used by firms to invest in future production, such as buying new equipment, building factories, or improving technology. Example, a company buys new machinery to increase production capacity. C. Government spending. Government uses part of the national income to finance infrastructure projects, pay salaries to civil servants, provide social assistance. Example, construction of toll roads, bridges, school, hospitals. Okay, and this is the last. A. Payment of taxes. Part of the income of people and companies must be paid to the government in the form of tax, which are then used for public financing. Examples: income tax, value-added tax (VAT), property tax. Conclusion: national income is a key indicator used to measure the economic health of a country. This income comes from various sources such as production, consumption, investment, exports, and tax. Once calculated, national income is distributed to various sectors through consumption, investment, movement, spending, saving, and tax. Local branding national income helps governments and economies design the economy's policies to improve people's welfare and promote sustainable economic growth. Okay, my friends, and I think it's enough. Thank you for your nice attention. For less or more, I apologize to Allah. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.